Hello friends, I want to talk about video editing tool what I use for YouTube videos creations. It's a Shotcut video editor, it's totally free, and I want to show you step by step how to use it. Let's go. Okay, let's start. First, press on Shotcut program and start it. Need to type project name, test 1, select video mode. I using HD 30 FPS. Press start. This project is new project. Okay. Test, and you need to select video material that you want to use for editing. Video, music, effects. Okay, just drag to this place and we can start. First step, add tracks, add video track 1, add video track 2, and add audio track. Okay, select first video, drag to V1, video 1 line. Okay, let's play it. It's going like that. It's from my drone filming. Okay, if you want to cut it from the start, you drag this slider you want to cut and press Shift E, Shift A. Okay, if you want to cut to the back of your video, press Shift O. Okay, if you want split your video to 2 pieces, press Shift S. See, okay, you can do it like that. You can do it transactions like that. When you're dragging video, you can delete transactions, doing what you want with video material. Okay. Next step, when you cutted your video from start and to end, split it, do it transactions, you can add music. The music I use is copyright free. Okay, drag to the line E1, audio 1. You can cut it like a video from the start and to the finished. I want to cut it to the finished and I press Shift O. Okay, it's cut. In beginning, you can do this transactions to video to be smoother. In back, you can do it same.
I close my eyes, embrace the black, sleepless night.
Okay. In music, you can do it same. Okay, you have video, audio material. Time to insert effect. In video 2, line, we can insert subscribe button effect that I am downloaded. Okay, you drag it what you want to be. And drag. Okay, you can do interaction. Okay, back. Effect, play effect on the video. It's in green screen. You need to remove green screen. Press FX. Filters. Select material with select filter and chroma key symbol is for removing green screen. Okay, I remove it. Next, in FX filters plus, you can change size, position, rotate. Okay, dragging there, and we can press editing and play. Watch.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to.
Okay, my video is finished. Thank you for watching, and next time I show more things what you can do in Shotcut program about effects, music, and other stuff. Okay, goodbye.